What are you doing, Jordan?
I'm embroidering shirts for Star City Heating and Cooling.
Doing, Caitlin?
I'm just prepping for the day, getting orders going, ship out on Monday. Also, just printed an order, a rush order that'll be picked up today by K2.
Oh, birthday girl.
Yep.
What are you doing?
Setting up a wrap. That's what I'm working on.
So hey guys, we are in the new install bay working on some wraps for Ponca Express. We haven't really filmed a whole lot of these. We've done 12 of these vans so far. We are just finishing up the last 3 right now. I shot some footage of the last set we got done before they got picked up, so we can take a look at that, and we can take a look and see what we got going on with the installs right now. What are you working on, Katrina?
I am working on a couple cut orders. We have one that they are actually going to use these decals as a stencil and then sandblast them. So took a couple different tries to get the right material, but got that figured out. So now we're just going to get the stencils for them. And then some heat press. Getting ready to cut all that stuff right now.